Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel ADG Insights. In my previous video, I tried to show you the importance of a motherly figure in our lives. Today in this video, I'm going to show you the things that you can gather from only a father. A father is always like a strong protective shell under which your childhood with full of innocence can smoothly pass through, protected from the outer harsh environment. The negativity lying all across the world can hardly come and touch you when you are under the protective shade of a father. So in this video, I'm going to present to you the 5 most important things, or the 5 things out of the many things which you can get only from your father. Firstly, an envelope of protection. A father always provides the security and the protection to the family. A father is like the protective heart covering of a family, which will always keep you and your loved ones guarded from the harsh outer environment. A father will never allow any sort of unwanted trouble to penetrate to the family, as he'll always be standing as a guardian or an angel with a shield to tackle such troubles tactfully and in the process protect your family. Secondly, a person to count on whenever you need to make any kind of tough decisions in your life. This is very important, as it is a natural tendency of any human being to ask for suggestions when they have to make a very hard decision in their life. In these circumstances, a father stands out as the person you need, as he will always help you out in showing you your actual needs that you really require. This is because once in life, he went through a similar situation and he has been taught very well from the experiences that he has gathered throughout his life about the different aspects related to his choices. So you can and always should discuss about your dilemmas regarding taking any decision to your father, and I promise you, you will be getting your answer in no time. Thirdly, developing your character. This is another important part, as a person should always give more preference or priority towards developing his character than towards their studies. Most of the unwanted incidents that happen in a society are due to possessing a not so appropriate character or a mentality. In these situations, a father turns out again as the person you need, as he will always help you in building up your character even if he has to act a little bit strict at times. A father might scold you, but do always realize that everything that he does is only for the betterment of your character, or as a whole, your life. So next time if you find you are getting scolded by your father, just be patient and realize that you are getting better and better through those actions, and try to follow what your father is trying to teach, as he is always trying to make you learn the bigger picture. Fourthly, a father always teaches his child to take up responsibilities and become self-independent. It is a bitter truth that one day you will have to become an individual not residing under the protective covering of your parents. To be able to survive during that time, a father helps you to become mentally strong and be responsible, so that you don't have to be dependent on anyone to live your life. And most importantly, learn to love your life. This is such an important thing in today's scenario, as most of the unwanted incidents occur when you stop loving your own self. So always love your own self and thank your father to have let you become the individual that you are today. Finally, an unexpressed but an unconditional love. A father is always known to be less expressive when it comes to loving his child, but a father always holds a special position in their heart for their child. He will always be there whenever his child needs him. A father is known to be able to do anything for the betterment of his child. So it is always a very important responsibility of the child too to always love and respect their father. As you must know that your father is getting older each day, you are getting a newer and a brighter day for your life. So these are some of the things you can get from your father, although the list will always keep on increasing and increasing. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hey, please don't forget to hit the bell, as you might not want to miss my any upcoming videos. Thank you.